Here's a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. A very nice looking car. As you can see, the paint's in nice shape. It's had a repaint, 8 to 9 years ago. Has not had a lot of miles put on it since it was repainted. So the car does have a nice luster to it. It's not full of checks or chips or scratch or anything like that. This is also a very nicely equipped Vette. Power steering, power brakes, AC, and the AC does blow cold, and it has been converted. Also has power windows and an automatic transmission. So like I said, very nicely equipped car. This is originally a red car, 72 code. See, riding on the nice aluminum wheels. Those are also in nice shape. Red on red card. That is, from everything I can see, the interior seats and everything are original in it, do show some wear. It's approximately an 80,000 mile car. We'll look at the odometer when we get around to the side there and I'll show you. But passenger seat, pretty nice shape. Driver's seat does show a little wear. So I'll show you over there. Oh, and also has tilt steering too. Not telescopic, I believe just, I take that back, we'll double check. It's either tilt and telescopic or just tilt. It's a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, a little over 80,000 miles on it. One repaint somewhere 8 to 9 years ago. Not a lot of miles since that repaint. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, check out the interior, under the hood, the undercarriage of the car itself. Unique Classic Cars is where you can go to see those. Very nice running vehicle. The gentleman drove this car here to us to have us represent it and sell it for him. See, it's a T-top car, of course. Slip around here. All right, looks like we do have telescopic and tilt. You can see, there's what I was talking about, some wear on the driver's seat. It does have some rips. Other than that, the door cards, interior, as far as the carpet, center console, dash, all that's pretty nice shape. You can see some wear on the steering wheel and some aging due to the little sun fade and what have you. So a couple new seat covers and a steering wheel. This thing in real nice shape. There's the miles, 84,000 on it. Go ahead and start this up a second. Maybe up on the high idle since I just started it at a cold start, but you get an idea how nicely it starts and runs. Coming out to the back. '79 Chevrolet Corvette. True red on red car. L48 V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, has been converted. Power windows, tilt, telescopic. Very nice car. Looking for a nice Vette, go down the road with. Won't break the bank. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or like I said, you can check out any of the underside pics, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com.